I hope you know that every time I tell you I love you, I mean it with my entire soul and heart of my emotions go into every I love you. They all are not bland and tasteless. Those three words I confuse to you have my entire life in them. I will always choose you even at the days we don't understand each other. You are the only person I want to love in the end. I want you to know that no matter how far away you are, no matter what terms we are on, I will never seek attention from someone else. I only want you. Maybe it was your laugh or your eyes or your smile. Maybe it was your hair or voice, personality, or watching you talk. But whatever it was, it made me fall pretty damn hard. It was only after meeting you I got to know what life really is. It's only I met you I got to know how it feels to be breathing. It is like I have been dead this entire time. You are the one. It's you who taught me how to love. It's you who brought me back to life. It's you who was there for me when no one else was. It's you who never gave up on me when everyone else gave up, and it has always been you who I have been needing whenever you want me to be with you. I just need you to close your eyes and you will find me right beside you, holding your hand. My love for you is far greater than any force in extends, and I int blank twice to a for your charming eyes. Love you because you occasionally but effort into me. I love you because nobody has ever given me the love that you have given me, and you are the only one that could ever love me this way. I love you because you always make me feel that I am not something. I love you because you have a nurturing nature and you take care of me. I love you because you made me smile when I almost forgotten how to. I love you because you have a young and honest heart. I love you and everything little detail about you. I love you because you are simply you. Thanks for always being there for me and making sure that I am okay even when you weren't okay. I can't ever be the perfect person to love, but I can promise to be your side forever.